Good Wednesday morning, everyone. We're looking at some clouds out there today, and with those clouds, we'll see the chance for a couple of isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and then temperatures cooling down as we head into, looks like, the rest of the week, into the start of the weekend. Here's a look at the almanac from today. 74 was the high yesterday after a low of 52. Average is 74 for the high, 51 for the average low. Check out the record high temperature, though. It shows you how volatile temperatures can be this time of the year. 103 degrees, the record high temperature set back in 1931. 27 the low, set back all the way in 1898. Sunrise this morning at 7 o'clock. It'll set this evening at 7:51. So an isolated shower or two here for us today into tonight. And as I mentioned, we're back into the 60s here starting tomorrow into Friday. Even in parts of Saturday, may see highs staying in the 60s with a fairly quiet weekend shaping up for us. Here's the satellite radar picture. Clear sky overnight, now starting to be filtered in with some clouds advancing in here ahead of a storm system that will bring us the chance for, again, that isolated shower. As we look at the picture across the region, again, we are seeing some of those clouds continuing to move through with a clear sky being found across much of the state of Iowa into parts of southern Minnesota. So again, watching clouds building in here, and with those clouds will come the chance for an isolated shower or two. 40s and 50s to start the morning across the upper Midwest here, and our dew points very comfortable in the 40s and 50s, so some relatively dry air compared to where we were, especially much of last week. So here it is with Futurecast, watching this cool front building in from the north, so that'll bring the chance for an isolated shower or two, maybe a rumble of thunder. The bigger story is behind this front is those temperatures will be back into the 60s here for tomorrow, Friday, into Saturday, with relatively quiet conditions. Looking for a fairly nice stretch of weather here as we head into the upcoming weekend. Hour by hour here across the eastern South Dakota, again looking for a spotty shower or two here for today into tonight, and very, very early tomorrow morning, and maybe a pop-up shower trying to work its way in here on Thursday, but otherwise we'll just see a partly sunny sky. Again, those temperatures running below average. So highs today reaching the mid-70s. Again, maybe an isolated shower or storm. That chance lingering into tonight, otherwise a mainly cloudy sky. Low temperatures dropping back into the lower 50s, and your 7-day forecast, again, looking for highs only in the 60s tomorrow into Friday. Back to the upper 60s here for us on Saturday. Check out that low temperature, though, on Saturday morning, around 40 degrees as we start our day on Saturday. Back to the 70s on Sunday and Monday, which is right around average as we saw with the almanac. Maybe another chance for a few spotty showers here by next Tuesday.